Welcome to Kos, your dedicated guide. Tax Gate in Kos, a piece of an ancient defensive structure with a fascinating history. Merchants once had to pay taxes here to trade within the fortress, struck and destroyed by the 2017 earthquake. The renowned flowers around the gate have sadly been removed for a clearer view of the damage. The gate has been supported by iron and wood throughout this time, but now the restoration work has finally commenced in 2023, thanks to €226,500 in EU funding. With an estimated total cost of €265,000, the gate will be prepared for the upcoming tourist season. Will they complete it on time? Share your predictions in the comments and don't forget to like this video.